from Gradeup scored under top 10 in GATE 2021. Let's take a look at them. जैसे सही प्रेप के साथ इनकी लाइफ सेट हो गई, आपकी भी वैसी हो सकती है। Avail live classes and daily study plans, expert faculty, best study material from Gradeup today and get a step closer to achieving your dreams. क्योंकि Gradeup के साथ सही प्रेप है तो लाइफ सेट है।
Welcome back guys to India's largest e-learning platform Gradeup, and today we are here with the detailed notification of NTPC. As you know already, when NTPC notification have come, we have already put in a short video for that. But at that time already the complete notification was not yet come. So that's why what we have shared was just a small information that yes, that much number of seats are going to be there. But right now guys, we are having the detailed notification of NTPC with us. Okay. So we will see the detailed notification and each and every detail related to that we are going to see now. So are you guys ready? Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Then we are starting it. Yes. Shall we start? Fine. Great guys, so we are going to start it now. So guys, when we are talking about this, I will be giving you a small information first of all about me. Okay, this is a small information about me. I'm having 10 years of experience. These are my areas of expertise and I have written many research and review papers. So if you have any concern related to research and review paper, I can definitely help you in that as well. Okay. Yes guys, and then I would like to tell you related to this, that is Mega Mock Challenge MMC schedule for May 2021 for mechanical engineering. So guys, this is 26th May ESC paper 2, 30th May HAL design trainee 2. These are two tests are pending in this month, rest are already been completed. And guys, जीत की तैयारी घर से है जारी. In this 55% off is there on Gradeup Super courses, and guys that you can avail by using the code SAFE55. Is it fine? You can use the code SAFE55. Fine. So guys, now we are starting the session for NTPC recruitment. This is the notice which have been there. And when we are talking about this notice, my dear, I will be telling you each and every detail about the number of vacancies in different branches. I will be telling you about the different branches which are eligible, and I will be telling you about the percentage of marks required in your BTech, and also I will be telling you about the procedure and about the bond if you are going to join NTPC. Okay, so as from a lot of time we guys were waiting for vacancies to come for NTPC, for other PSUs as well, because generally vacancies are coming from a period of February to August. A number of PSUs are giving the vacancy from you can say the gate, and this time it was not there as due to COVID situation. Things got delayed. Finally NTPC have given the vacancies, and that is a very big number. It is a very good number, and total is 280. Yes, Akhil Das, dear, civil के लिए NTPC में vacancy नहीं होती. In NTPC the branches eligible are mechanical, electronics, electrical and instrumentation. Okay, so guys, when we are talking about this, first of all I am coming about NTPC. You know that NTPC is basically as you know, it is working over the power. Okay, and they are also showing that capacity of 130 gigawatt by 2032. This is the target of theirs. And my dear, now we are coming to vacancies. As you know that for mechanical the highest vacancies are 126, for electrical the second highest 98, for electronics and instrumentation the third highest is 56. So my dear, the total number of vacancies, as you know, it is a very good number, 280. And these are the vacancies for NTPC through GATE 2021. And my dear, then I would like to tell you the qualification required. So my dear, full-time BTech degree 65% for the general category, and when we are talking about SC, ST, PWBD candidates, for them only 55% is required. And guys, this time, as I would also like to mention that only GATE 2021 candidates are eligible for the post. So it is not like when NPCL vacancy came there, GATE 2020 students were also eligible. Here only GATE 2021 students are eligible, means only those students who have given GATE 2021, means scorecard of GATE 2021 will be required only. Okay, yes guys. So when we are talking about the electrical engineering discipline, in this my dear, the full-time degree in electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation and control, power system and high voltage, power electronics or power engineering, all these branches are eligible in this category. In mechanical category, mechanical, production, industrial, production and industrial, thermal, mechanical and automation, power engineering, all these branches are eligible. Many times production industrial students are asking me that sir, whether we are going to be eligible in the post or not. So you can see in NTPC how many posts are there and you are eligible. Yes, Lovepreet, in the notification GD and PI are not mentioned, as I already told you. Actually last year it was mentioned, so GD and PI are not mentioned this time. Yes, this time they have just mentioned that they will be taking based on GATE scorecard. But as I said, they have not mentioned about this. But if like due to COVID situation the things are going to be there, they have just written that they will be shortlisting the candidates. Okay, so maybe in the later stages, if the things are going to be normal, you may have GD and PI, because up to last year 85% weightage was for GATE, 5% was for GD and 10% was for PI. Okay, that is the point. So my dear, then it is going to be electronics. For electronics, it is going to be electronics and telecommunication, then electronics and power electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. Then for instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation and control, electronics, instrumentation and control, these are the eligible branches. And guys, generally many students have concern that sir, we are not from core mechanical, we are not from core electrical, we are not from core electronics. You are from some of the branch like power engineering, from some of the branch automobile engineering, some of the branch production and industrial. So that's why I have shown you all the branches which are eligible. Yes, automobile is not eligible, obviously, because obviously for automobiles students are not studying power plant subject, they do not study RAC subject. So due to that, automobile engineers are generally not eligible for IOCL and NTPC, but they are eligible in some of the posts of GAIL and ONGC if come. Maybe later on they will be coming. Okay, so my dear, now we are going for that. I have already mentioned the branches. So corresponding GATE paper for all these branches should be electrical engineering, paper code is EE. Then my dear, mechanical engineering, paper code is ME. For electronics, paper code is EC. For instrumentation, paper code is IN. My dear, in selection procedure, when we are going to talk about, it is going to be the GATE 2021. It is mentioned or not only GATE 2021, means GATE 2020 students are not eligible for NTPC post. Only those students who are having a valid GATE scorecard for GATE 2021 are eligible for this. And my dear, at the same time, as I already mentioned, one more thing, that candidates shall be shortlisted for document verification based on GATE 2021 performance. From among the candidates who apply against this advertisement, NTPC further offer of appointment will be extended subject to their meeting the advertising eligibility criteria. So guys, as I already said that they have mentioned that they will be using GATE 2021 scorecard, but maybe later stages you may have to go through some interview for the final selection. But yes, medical will be there, that they have mentioned. Medical will be there for sure, that is always there, because color blindness candidate and many other problems who are having, they may not be selected because there are some particular criteria behind that. So my dear, when we are going for the projected vacancies, so when we are talking about vacancies, these are the discipline electrical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation. And for all four, if you are going to see the vacancies, for electronics and instrumentation, they have given together. For electrical, total 98 vacancies, general 40, EWS 9, OBC 27, SC 14, ST 8. For mechanical, 126 for total, 51 are for general category, 12 for EWS, OBC 34, 20 for SC and 9 for ST. For electronics and instrumentation, 56 total, 22 general, 6 EWS, 15 OBC, 9 SC and 4 ST. Okay, and my dear, this is the identification of PWBDS they have written. Okay, so my dear, when we are going to talk about compensation and benefits, the pay scale grade is going to be 40,000. E1 grade will be there, but they have particularly mentioned that DA and other things, other allowances are going to be given. Generally, the packages when we are talking about of these PSUs, NTPC, IOCL, ONGC, HPCL, they are nearly equal and more than 15 lakhs. Okay, CTCs there. And my dear, when we are talking about these compensation, pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 will be there. And at the same time, I would like to tell you that this time when you are talking about the placement, they have also mentioned that wherever be the NTPC plants are there, you may be getting shifts there, you may be getting your placement there. And also they have mentioned those are joint venture of NTPC, there also you may be recruited. Okay, means after recruitment you may be sent to some of the joint ventures of NTPC, and when you will be sent to that, the shifts will be obviously there. Sometime night shift working is also there. So whatever be day shift or night shift, whatever be there, you have to work accordingly. Okay, Supriya, without gate? No dear, it is not without gate, it is gate exam. It is with gate only. It is not without gate, it is with gate only. It is not without gate, it is with gate only. Okay, so these are about the placements I would like to say. And my dear, also they have mentioned that candidates claiming to belong to any particular category have to share their eligibility certificate. Like if someone is saying that he is from SC category, ST category, OBC, non-creamy layer, so you whatever you have to share, basically you have to share whatever the candidature is, means you need to show the eligibility certificate for that. Okay, yes. And once you are filling some category, you cannot change later on, it will be fixed for final. Okay, then my dear, they have also mentioned the age limits. So basically the age limit is 27 years for general category, 27 years for general category. Okay, and 65% marks for general category. But there are some relaxations like SC, ST, PWBD candidates with at least 55%, so 10% reduction in marks in BTech. Then 5 years of age relaxation is also there, and for OBC 3 years of age relaxation is there, and that is only for non-creamy layer. And my dear, after that 15 years of for PWD, SC, ST candidates, this is the age relaxation as I already mentioned. And those students who are from Jammu and Kashmir, between this they are also getting 5 years of age relaxation. This time they are coming with a service bond, and when we are talking about the service bond, my dear, that service bond is going to be for 5 lakh rupees for general category, 2,50,000 rupees for the SC, ST, PWBD category, and that bond is going to be there for 3 years work. After 1 year of training, you need to work for 3 years minimum for NTPC. If you are living in between, then you need to give that much amount of bond amount, and that is 5 lakh for general, 2.5 lakh for other categories. And at the same time, I would like to tell related to health, there will be a medical, and medical will be done at the NTPC centers only, and those medicals are going to check that whether your health is fine as per the working criteria, as per the requirement at NTPC or not. Like in many of the, in majority all of the PSUs, color blindness is an issue. So if you are having that kind of issue, you need to check first, because for general category there is a non-refundable fees of 300 rupees as well. If you are eligible, then only apply, otherwise you are going to waste money because they are non-refundable. Okay, that they have mentioned clearly. Then my dear, after that I will be telling you about how to apply. So first of all, you need to go to ntpccareers.net. okay, or you can visit ntpc.co.in. okay, and then you need to put their gate 2021 registration number. You need to upload your photo and signature, and after doing that you will be getting a form to be filling, and after filling up the form you need to take the printout of that. And my dear, after that, as I already mentioned, only GATE 2021 scorecard students are going to be eligible for that. Okay, and 300 is the fees for general EWS OBC category, and for others it is no fees. And guys, this is non-refundable. In any case, you cannot get this. This fees can be filled online and offline, both the ways. You can do the payment online as well as offline. For offline, they have mentioned the account number. This is the account number. Okay, branch code, everything they have mentioned already. Okay, and there are many ways to pay. You can pay by net banking, by debit card, RuPay card, credit card and all. Okay, yes. Then my dear, after that, general information and instructions I am telling you about this. Only Indian nationals can apply this, and at the same time it is also mentioned that eligibility criteria should be fulfilled in any way, and your BTech should be from AICT recognized college or university. Then, as I already tell, all computation of age shall be done with respect to the last date of receipt of online application as mentioned in the advertisement. Means if your age limit is already crossed, please do not apply. They will in any circumstance are not going to select you. Okay, because 27 years is the age limitation, as I already told you. Okay, then my dear, as I already tell, that registered candidate is liable to be rejected at any stage. If you are found to give any wrong information, then you may be getting rejected. So my dear, at any stage, if your information is wrong, you may be rejected for that. You can also see some important instructions and question in FAQ section. Like in FAQ section, you can see the branch detail. They will be mentioning, like many times it question is written, I have done my BTech from automobile. Am I eligible for the post? They strictly write, no, sorry, we regret. Okay. So if you are from that branch which is not mentioned there, please do not apply. It is going to be a wastage of 300 rupees only. So whatever the email ID you are entering, whatever the information you are entering should be correct only, and that should be remain valid for next 1 year, because you know the complete process of the joining may go for more than 6 to 8 months, as in general joining is coming in November or December up to last year's. Okay, then if some person is already working in some government department or PSU or autonomous body, you need to submit the relieving letter as well for the current organization. Okay, and at the same time I would like to say that whatever be the fulfilling criteria mentioned in this notification, you need to check A to Z whether you are fulfilling that criteria or not. Okay, so these are the basic things. Next is written only that NTPC have all the rights, anything. So these kind of things you already know. Okay, yes. Then my dear, important dates which are very important. Important date is going to be 21st May is the starting date for applying for NTPC, and 10th June is the last date. So if you are eligible with all the respect for this notification for these vacancies, you please apply. 21st May is the starting date, 10th June is the last date for that. And my dear, as I already mentioned this thing, that these are the days. And my dear, as they have already mentioned that only GATE 2021 candidates are there. So they have not mentioned about any GD and PI, but up to last years they have mentioned that 85% up to previous years. I am writing up to previous years. 85% was the weightage for GATE, 5% weightage for GD, and 10% weightage for PI. So this time they have not mentioned anything like that. So when they have not mentioned this, so I would like to say that still at the later stage, if they are planning for GD or PI, then for that you can go for different topics which are going in current 2 years, because you have seen last year vacancies were not there from GATE due to COVID. So my dear, obviously you shall prepare for whatever happened in these 2 years, majorly the laws which have come, and you know that latestly like Kisan Andolan was there, COVID situations are there. Based on that, you will be getting some topics over GD and PI if it is going to happen. But as I said, they have not mentioned, so no one can say surely whether it will be or not. The reason may be due to the COVID situation, they have not mentioned this. This may be the reason behind that. Okay, so guys, if it comes about interview, For interview, you must prepare your 3 to 4 very good subjects. You shall prepare, and those 3 to 4 subject minimum. I am saying it is good if you are good at more number of subjects, but they will be asking you your favorites. The very first question in the interview is generally related to what is your introduction. And during introduction, whenever you are going to say about yourself, this will help you in other exams as well. So whenever you are going to say about yourself, always try to tell those things about you about which you are very much confident. Like if you are saying some subject to be good, it means you shall be good into that. Always whenever you have done something, then only that mention that. Like they're asking you about your BTech final year project. If you have done it in a great way, it is really great to tell without asking as well. If it is not, you have not done much work, then without asking you shall not mention these kind of things. Like training, you have the certificate of BHEL, let us say, but you have not even gone for one day, then it is going to be difficult. So whatever you have really done, it will be great if you tell about that. Maybe it is smaller thing, but they will be asking the question from that only first, okay, if they are related to their areas. You can also have some solution for some ongoing problem in the society. If you're going to discuss about that I have thought this kind of, then also you are going to be selected based on that kind of idea. So guys, these are the unique things which are going to make you different than others, and they are going to make your selection easier when a number of candidates are going to give that. Okay, so as I said, a very large number of vacancy. Highest is for mechanical, that is 120, then 98 is for you can say for electrical, and rest are for electronics and instrumentation. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Already HPCL is going to take their own examination. So in HPCL you are going to prepare by yourself. If your gate is good, gate score is good, then you can go for NTPC as well. The number of vacancies are good for all the branches. I will say civil NTPC vacancies are not there. They are not there for civil. They are only for 4 branches: mechanical, electrical, electronics and instrumentation. Okay guys, so this was about all the points what we have discussed. Okay, so as I already said, just see the percentage criteria, whether you are fit in or not. Then also check the age criteria. Okay, then also see whether your GATE 2021 branch as well as your BTech branch is mentioned in that category or not. Okay, and fourth, you need to take care of eligibility certificates. Means if you are from certain category, you have to send that as well. And final year students are also eligible. They can also apply for the post. If you are from final year, it is a good news, you can definitely apply for the post. Okay, so my dear, this is the complete detail, and these are the complete faculty team for mechanical. And as I said, you can see the free app classes from all of us. They are available on, you can say, YT as well as on app. You are having the free session, free live session. Okay, so you can join from all of us, and every day we are going for different series for HPCL, HANL, all whatever the ongoing or upcoming examinations. Then my dear, these are the achievers 10 plus gradients under AIR 10 from GATE 2021. So they are from GATE 2021. Okay, maybe some of them are going to be compete you in NTPC as well. Okay, yes. So my dear, under Gradeup Super, you are getting structured live courses, you are getting green card. These structured live courses are for GATE, for ESC, for ISRO, for DRDO, for BARC, for HPCL, etc. And for all these examination at the same time, you need test series which is covered under the green card. And guys, in green card you will be getting the test series for all the exams, and they are designed by toppers on the latest pattern. This is the contact for any admission related inquiry. And guys, at the same time, as I said, under Gradeup Super, you are getting structured live courses. You are having a number of batches and you can join all the batches anytime. Yes, Prateek, Kaple, welcome to this session. Hello. So guys, complete doubt resolution, performance and report card, expert faculty and full syllabus coverage. These are the things you will be getting under Gradeup Super. Okay. So I feel I have given you all the information. Fine, Prateek, definitely. If you have already done good in GATE 2021, may God bless you and you reach your goal. If you are starting your preparation, do it in a way that you can get a rank under double digit or triple digit, so that your PSU selection is going to be possible. Okay. So Prateek, for that you need to tell me in which year you are. Okay. Have you given 2021 GATE? Otherwise, I will be telling you how it is possible. Definitely it is possible. Nothing is impossible. Even impossible says I am possible. So if you are preparing well, it is definitely possible. Okay. So very good number of vacancies, decent number of vacancies are there. So you cannot say vacancies are less. Okay. So as I said, once again I am saying, go through these things. Go for your age criteria, go for your percentage criteria, go for your branch criteria, then eligibility certificate. Okay, these four things you need to take care. Sure, dear Prateek, I will say that till then the condition will be normalized and we may be having more number of PSUs associated with GATE, and with that more number of vacancies will be there, so that more number of students will be selected into PSU. So definitely we are hoping for the same and expecting for the same, and hopefully it will be there. Okay. So I feel we shall leave here. I have given you all the information related to NTPC, and as we were expecting that GDPI rounds will be there, but they have not mentioned about that. Okay. So I feel, okay, you are second year student, Prateek, then you cannot get PSU from GATE 2022. You can get PSU only from GATE 2023. Because GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years, but for PSU only current GATE students are eligible. Like for GATE 2022 exam, only final year students who are giving GATE 2022 or other students, but not third year. Okay. Yes. Highest package in PSU is going to be dear in Power Grid, 22 lakhs. Okay. And if you're thinking for much more, go to NITI Mumbai. NITI Mumbai, the packages are more than 50 lakhs for top students. Okay. So you can think about that. Really. Yes. Is it fine? Great, guys. So I feel I have answered your questions, and all other PSUs are also giving decent amount, like NTPC, IOCL. They are also giving the amount nearly equals to, I can say, 15 to 18 lakh rupees. CTC I am telling you about. Okay, like NTPC is taking the grade of 40,000 to 140,000, 1,40,000. And guys, as I said, there are many extra things, extra perks and benefits you are getting, which is going to make this a good job rather than compared to any private company job. Okay. Fine. NITI Mumbai is, dear, in NITI Mumbai admissions are through GATE only, and it is for the students who want to go for MBA by GATE. You can try MBA after GATE from NITI Mumbai as well. It is really going to be a good choice. 200% placements record are there for that institute. Is it fine, guys? Okay, fine, great. So finally, yes, for Power Grid I already told, around 22 lakh package is there. It is also from GATE. It is also from GATE. Okay, fine. And nowadays many states are taking the DM post also from, SDM post are also from this GATE only, like Haryana is taking. Okay, they have taken 2 years back, I feel. So you can also try for that if it is from your state. Okay guys, so these are the things you can get benefit from. So I feel we shall leave here. Prateek, for Power Grid you should be under, I will say, 200 to 300 rank. Even it will be great if you are double digit rank. More possibility will be for double digit rank. Okay, up to 100 surety is there, up to 500 chances are there. After 500 luck is there. Okay. Yes. Up to 1000 at the max PSUs are taking, not more than that. Okay, that also sometimes when vacancies are more, they are calling that much number. Fine guys. So goodbye for this session. Thanks for joining.